And we're doing the experiment password security. How easily can your password be hacked? Okay, here we have the summary that says that difficulty is advanced, average 6 to 10 days. But we don't have to be like really concerned about this because you can do it like in the time that you want. You have to have some experience with Python. I actually don't have any experience with Python, but I know I have experience with Java and other programmation programs, and I think I can deal with Python. We just need a computer, and we don't need to pay anything. Okay. The objective is to evaluate how difficult different types of passwords are to crack, and then write a simple password guessing program to try to guess sample passwords. Okay, here we have the credits: Python, Microsoft, Apple, Raspberry, and Linux. Let's go to the background. Here you have the introduction if you wanna read it. Let's go to the materials. We just need a computer, an actual working computer with Python 3, and we need to download these two attachments: crack password PI and passwords.txt. Okay, the attachment of crack passwords PI, let's say that it's a program that we are going to use for the Python, and it's the guessing program for guessing the passwords. Then passwords.txt is the program that it's not an actual program, it's just a document text, a text document that has like, I think it had 100 of passwords, something like that, and we are going to try to guess one of those passwords. Okay, we need a lab notebook. Pencil or pen, this is optional actually, because now I'm going to explain you why. Here we have procedure, experimental procedure. Okay, fever security project warning. Okay, here says that we shouldn't attack any individual computer system or network without consent from the individual person. Just imagine that you attack like get a password of the Gmail or whatever you want to get the password of, I don't know, a neighbor. So you don't have the consent of that guy, so he can like be mad or the police or whatever he's going to do when you do that. So here we have to calculate the strength of the password. You know that some passwords have 3 digits and other passwords are alphanumerical and have more than 1 digit. Some are of, I don't know, as I said, alphanumerical of numbers and letters. Some of them are scripts. Some of them are really difficult to decipher. And actually we are using a guessing program, so it's like more difficult with that because we don't have like anything that actually tell us like 100% that that's the password. You know, that program is going to keep trying till he gets the password, and then he's going to tell the password to us. Here it gives us the example of a cash box, a standard cash box, or a suitcase. And here gives us the example of three numeric code. The 3-numeric code, we can see 314. So the program will see that we can do 999 combinations with this code. So the program is going to guess all the time. He's going to keep guessing till he gets the password. Okay, in the suitcase we wouldn't be able to do it because like a PC is not able to connect to a suitcase. But for example, I don't know, a pin of a mobile phone, you can do it, or like a password of a mobile phone. Okay, yeah. Here we have the table of the try number of deals every try per minute. Okay, so here says that we are going to do one guess per 10 seconds. Okay, and here says that the number of deals, like to A to Z, like the number of numbers, and the time to guess of that. We have 2 tables. You can read here if you want. It's going to explain you better. Okay, and here we start cracking a password. Here says that this phrase involves example codes written by science bodies. we have to use the programs that give science bodies, and we only like with all the stuff that give us science bodies, we have to be able to crack the password. It's not an actual cracking the password, it's just guessing the password. It's kind of that. So now you have to see how many possible passwords there can be in just 8 or so characters. Consider the human factor. Okay. We first go here explaining you how to download all this stuff, but I already have downloaded all the stuff. As you can see, I search Python here, I have the program, I have the crack password here, and I have the passwords TTX here, okay? I have all the stuff prepared. And here explains us method 1, brute force attack. This means I'm going to explain you like with my words every kind of method. This means brute force attack. That, for example, a 0 to 9 combination, like 9 digits, imagine. So the program is going to guess all the time, as I said in the tables before. It's going to try guess like all the time the password till it gets the password actually. Like it's going to guess like the password. The method 2 is kind of the same thing but with more characters. Method 3 is dictionary attack. This is like, when I saw it, it was like really funny because like, it's only 500 most common passwords used in 2005. It's going to guess with that. But I actually think that like every person puts his own password, and I think it's personal and it's unpasteable. But like here says that he's going to try to do it with the 500 most common passwords. But here says used in 2005. So we're in 2017 right now, so we are not able actually. Like we might get a password with this method, but it's going to be kind of difficult. Method 4 is advanced dictionary attack that combines words. That means that it's like kind of the method 3, but combining words, getting information of the people that we are cracking the password and combining some words. For example, my name is Arturo. We have to do the fourth thing that we have to do is we have to open crack password. So here says open crack password PI in idle, real important in idle, because if you just click it, have here crack password, if you just click it, it's going to open it in a Python file, but we want it in idle, then we just have to go to the crack password. Oh, sorry guys. Crack password. And then you right click, and then here says edit with idle. If you just click here in open, it will open in a Python file. You have to edit with idle and then you click. Here says that it's normal that you don't understand nothing of these things, of this, because and of this, the code things that he says, but that we don't, it's not really important. And then he says read through the code and read the comments. It's a big program, so it might seem overwhelming at first. Do not worry if you don't understand every single line of code right away. Scroll down to the main function and the bottom of the program. Okay, we are going down here. And here says run the program in idle. Select run module or press F5. Okay, fine. We're going to press F5. Then, do you want the program to pause at each step so you have time to read it? Yeah. Fine. We just open the program here in Python and idle. And we're going to say open crack password idle. Yeah. A new window, the Python shell should open. Follow on screen prompts, run the program. Tell the program. Here we have. Tell the program to guess password 0. Okay, and watch the. Okay, we're going to tell him yes. Press enter to continue. Science body is obviously. Okay, fine. Press enter to start the program. Okay, so we're going to say him to guess password 0. The program will now automatically. Oh, okay, perfect. So here we have Python. Perfect. Okay. Now we're trying to guess password 0. This program is going to try guess password 0. We're going to make this smaller. Yeah, fine. We're good. So here says that this is going to try scroll down the main faction. Okay, fine. Crack Edo. Okay. Tell front and watch the it says and watch the and watch the output. Does it guess match the value set for password in the main faction? Which of the 4 methods did it from? Okay, fine. So we're going to click enter. Yeah, trace back most recent class. Class here says line in module. Line. I have open file name. Or no such file directory. Password txt. Fine. You have tried running the program for password. Try changing password to 0. A new window to pick of the 4 methods did the program use to circulate guess. Trace back. Okay, fine. Yeah, we got it. Trace back 0 line 508. This file not found error is because I didn't have the password crack password inside my Python files, but that's not a problem. We got trace back. And here we have to know what password did we use. What method did the Python use to guess that the password was traced back? Yeah, so found search method 3, password txt. Did you see it here in main? He found it and he's using search method 3. So we're going to come here to method 3. Method 3. He used the one that I said that was kind of stupid, the dictionary tag. And he didn't use the advanced, he just used the one of 2005. 500 most common 2005 passwords. Okay, we're good. This is kind of smart. Perfect. So here says try changing password 0 to something else. Okay, so we are going to do here open crack passwords pi in idle. We already did that. A new window. Which of the 4 methods did we already know? The 3 method 3. Try changing password to something else as explained in the comments. Remember to do this in the main faction. Okay, yeah, we got it. Now we have to enter here. We're going to the loads. 1 sec. And we're opening crack Python. Sorry guys. We're going 1 sec here in materials. We're downloading passwords ttx. Oh yeah, here we have. Here we have all the passwords. Some of the passwords. Okay. And we're not able to edit them. Okay, we are good. Procedure. We're going to try with let's say password Choo. Oh, sorry guys, we're going to reset the program. Here we go. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's guess 1. So here says, yeah, press enter. Password txt file C uses not file not found, not such file. Let's just say oh, we didn't have the passwords txt on the computer. We had it in the Google page. So yeah, sorry, we're going to reboot this. We're going to close this. Nope. Yeah, finally. We have this here. We have here, yeah. Yes. So enter. 0. Okay, yeah, press continue here, yeah. Passwords file not found. Damn it. Search method. Okay. Set. We have to enter and then yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, so we have here the thing that makes us know that we can guess passwords with this kind of methods. We're going to erase this, and erase this. Yeah, so now with this experiment, this kind of experiment of Python, of guessing passwords, of cracking a password, now we're able to know that like our passwords are very vulnerable, and like with a really easy thing that like everybody should know to do, or knows to do, it's able to do with this procedure. So you can guess like a lot of passwords. In this case, they give us the passwords, but imagine that I have a, I don't know, a web page or a Gmail account. Imagine Gmail account, I think that it's going to be more difficult because it's Google and they have their own private connection, VPN, virtual private network, and it's going to be way harder to crack their password. But I don't know, an anonymous page, something that it's not like really manufactured, that it's like started creating like, I don't know, a week ago, that it's not really important. I think that you could like easily crack the password with these methods, but still they have not to be really complicated because these methods are really simple methods. We don't have here like really difficult methods. They are like just like dictionary attack, like the thing of the 500 words. They are like kind of easy methods, simple methods. Here we did the thing of try with another password, and this is called Venn diagrama, or diagrama de Venn in Spanish. And here tell us how to like other stuff about the passwords. This is the figure 2, simple flow words, cashbox. This is like how to crack cashbox. So here we have it. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for being there, paying attention.